Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Indian Energy Exchange IEX. It's a most important company and the stock will perform good even at worst conditions because no one can escape without this company. Especially the power sector companies will pay a tons of money to this company. So it's really a great company to hold for long term and it's very good for short term also. Actually, I found a swing trade a couple of days ago and I haven't made a video. It was up almost 5% already. So sorry for that. And it's really good for long term. And now I'm looking this stock for a medium term basis and for short term it's also ready to give a 5% within a matter of 2 days. So let's analyze the stock on technical basis. The stock was on the listing was at the price range of 148 150 to 140 range and it haven't moved anywhere and it was on the same range bound as we seen in the CDSL, and the stock came till the price range of 120, which is a previous support, and it formed a double bottom here. After the double bottom the stock started moving higher. It just rocketed like anything and it gave a fantastic 135% upside. And look at the lastly printed monthly candle. So look at the bearishness. The bearishness just came till the opening of the previous candle, but within a matter of 2 days the entire bearishness is observed by the buyers. So it's a good stock to go along right now. So now let's move to the weekly chart. So in the monthly chart we can't see any pattern, but in the weekly chart there is a pattern called rising channel pattern. So let me draw it. So this is the most common rising channel pattern, and usually the rising channel will break on downside, but in this scenario we can't expect that because look at the bullish weekly candle. So it's a very bullish candle that no one would have expected. So entire 3 weeks bearishness is observed just by 2 days. So now it's really good to go long in the stock for long term, and conservative entry, take entry above the trend line breakout. This resistance trend line should be broken above that 470 can be a good entry for the stock. Now let's move to the daily chart. Before moving to the daily chart, join us in Telegram using the link given below in the description and hit subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. And in the Telegram group you can ask your doubts regarding any stocks. We will update as soon as possible. So now let's analyze the stock on daily chart. So let me adjust it. So it's a channel pattern, it's a rising channel. So usually the channel pattern will break on downside and gives a negative return, but this time it's really different. Look at the rejection happened in the channel patterns support. So this is a great rejection. It's really a good rejection to consider. And look at the candles after rejection. It's a perfectly bullish candles. So it's really good to go along in the stock right now. And one can expect the 460 as the target because the falling wedge is broken and pattern is not much important because some patterns always fail, some patterns always wins. There is nothing like that. Every pattern has its own disadvantages. So understand the emotions of the people on the price. So read the price and read the emotions behind that price. So everyone are just buying because it's running up. So taking entry at current market price is fine, and taking target around 460 is very good in current market condition. It's almost a 7% upside. And if you don't want to risk your capital without any confirmation, just wait for the breakout of the trend line on the upper side and wait for the retracement like this and it will move higher. So 475 can be taken as the entry for the stock, and let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to analyze the price target in the stock. So one can consider 480 price range as the entry. So 480 to 485 price range can be taken as the entry, and one can expect 543 as the target. And based on the previous closing and the previous bullish candles, I can say that it's bullish and it can break the 485 level very easily. So once the 480 was broken, then immediately the target of 543 will be attained within a couple of weeks. So it's a really good stock to go long. So if you don't want to miss such ideas, just subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching our videos.